10 Racing, you know the spot. So anyway, so this car just came in. Actually, it's been here for a couple of weeks. We finally got it on the schedule, as promised to the guy. So we kept our promise to getting it on the schedule today, and we did. This is a right-hand drive car. The guy obviously imported the car. It's not a bad car. Looks nice, seems nice. Brought it to another shop. It sat there for years. Whatever work they did, we got to go over. And of course, now the car's been sitting for a long time. But the reason why I'm making this quick video on this car is because there's a lot of times when customers come in or shops charge them for stuff and they're like, no, we did that. Oh, no, that was done. You know, the customer's like, no, I paid for that. That was done. Or the shop be like, no, we did that. Well, just to give you an idea, like they put a fuel pump in this car, right? They put this nice radium setup in the car, right? Right, nice setup. They left this dangling in there, okay, which is the fuel sensor. And then they never connected a line for the return back into the tank, which creates all kinds of turbulence in the motor. They actually give you even a provision here that you can run a hose and then put some sort of clamping system down in here if you want, because those guys at Radium, they're really fucking smart. And they produce a great product. Yarrick, what else did you find?
Okay, so we usually mount the injector bungs with epoxy, so that way they don't block seals.
Right. That's correct.
Leaks.
Right. Or silicone, like we always say. No silicone, right.
Doesn't hold.
Doesn't hold. Use epoxy.
So while I was in there,
right.
You want to take a look over here, you can actually see the cylinder head.
Well, there you go. So here, classic example, you know, obviously built motor, but something happened there. How come there's rust stains in cylinder number 2? And then the other thing that we found is that if you look down here, so this thing's been having an open oil dipstick. I'm sorry, I forgot the name of it. Dipstick tube opening for God knows how long.
The car was towed to us.
Yeah, and the car was actually towed with us, and nothing was taped off or wrapped up. So, you know, whatever the turbo ingested, whatever rocks that kicked up underneath, because none of these cars have any kind of fucking shielding on the bottom. It's the first thing that the retards take off is the shielding on the cars, and you know, then all the debris gets up underneath into the engine bay. You know, so we get cars that, you know, from other shops or incomplete, or the customer starts, or the customer begins to play with the car thinking that they're going to be able to build their car. It takes a huge undertaking to build these cars. This car is probably going to take, you know, from beginning to end, anywhere from a week to possibly a week and a half, depending on actually what's wrong with it when we even go to start it. But I guarantee one thing. When we deliver this car, it's going to be another knockout.